So what we have here is an Acer Travelmate 4060. That's what it looks like on the front. And that's what it looks like on the inside. Now this thing would not power on. And I noticed the power plug was a little loose, so I just wiggled the center pin and it just fell out. So I'm pretty sure the the power plug just broke on it because it won't do anything. It was sitting for a long time and the battery's dead, and nothing will light up. So it looks like the battery went dead, the power plug broke. So on eBay I bought a new power plug. See if I can get it out. There it is. So I paid $5 for it. I think that was including shipping. So we'll see if we can get this laptop to work. It'll be a pretty cheap fix if this fixes it. Yeah. So the first thing we will do is all the screws on the bottom side. We need to take them out. We'll go ahead and take these covers off too, the hard drive, the memory, and I think this is, the wireless card's over here. Or maybe that's just to get to the, yeah, it looks like the processor's right there. Must be to get in there and clean out the heat sink. So we'll remove these three covers, remove the battery, and start taking out all these screws. All you need is a little Phillips precision screwdriver. Pull all this stuff out, pull the DVD drive out, because basically we got to get the motherboard out to desolder the old jack and solder the new one in. So I'll go ahead and remove all those screws and we'll start getting it taken apart. Okay, so I've got all the screws out of the bottom. Nearly all are. Just the only thing you really have to be careful of is some of them may be longer than the others. I just separate them. If I find one that's different size, put it in a different spot and remember where that one went. All these others are the same size. One's a different color, but I know where it goes. So now we've got, I don't know if you can see, but that one, and that one to get out before the panel will come off, before the back panel will come off. So I've already undone the back side. Let's see if you can see it. There's one there, in there, in there. Already undone those. Now we just tilt the screen back to where we've got plenty of room. Take a flathead. As you can see, this piece separates, and we just gently work it up. Actually, I think we can first get this one up. There we go. Another screw. There we go. And just kind of gently work it up. It just kind of snaps down. There we go. So we got that piece off. Now I'll undo these two and these two, and that'll get the screen separated, and then I'll be able to just pull it out of the way enough to where I can get these three out. And then this top piece here, it's almost all the way off. They've already pried it up a little bit, but it's held back here with these three screws. So I'll go ahead and take the screen off so I can get those three screws out.